everybody, look at all these cool die-cast cars that we got from Mickey and the Roadster Racers. And this is Mustard Run back here, and we're going to show you how all these die-casts can fly through the hoop on Mustard Run. But we've got a surprise today. We've got the gas station playset, and we're going to unbox this. And it's a whole gas station, and you can use your credit card and pump gas in your car, and that's going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to get it unboxed here in just a moment. We've also got, it's a Minnie Mouse, lifelike, stretchable, and she's really stretchy. Whoa! Stretchy stretch. I love these things. We love stretchy, squishy toys. They're a lot of fun to play with, and you can squeeze them. And she is super cute in her little pink dress. And look at there, she's got her little Minnie Mouse shoes on, and a little polka dotted dress. And it's from Disney Junior. And stretch. Give her one more good stretch. So there's a Minnie Mouse toy, and we've got some of the Minnie Mouse die-cast cars. Wow, that one's really cool. It's purple. Woohoo! And we've got Jiminy with his jumpin' Roadster. Woohoo! He's best friends with Mickey Mouse. Here's Pete's tow truck. Wow, that is awesome. And what else do we have? Clara Cluck in her eggshell vehicle. I bet she can race really good. And here's Goofy and his Turbo Tubster. I love it. So awesome. And can't forget Donald Duck. Here is the gold Mickey and the Roadster Racer vehicle. Wow, that is really neat. This came in one of the gift sets that you can buy, and you'll have to check out the video where we unbox this cool car. Here is Big Wheels Racing Mickey. Look how big these are. And he's ready to race. And back here is our hot dog Mickey. And he's ready to go on the Mustard Run racetrack. Whoa! Let's check out some of these other cars. And then we're going to unbox this really cool gas station. You can take the tires off the car and check them out. Woohoo! It does all sorts of fun things. It says try me. Let's do this.
Diggity dog! It's me, Roadster Racer Mickey.
We've got an air and water over here, lights and sounds. Here's some oil. This is gonna be a lot of fun. And we can change our tires with the flathead over here. All right, let's check out these die-cast cars, and then we're gonna get that unboxed. Here he goes. Woohoo! There's Jiminy, Goofy, Minnie Mouse, and Minnie Mouse in her pink boutique. Here's Mickey with Big Wheels Racing. And gold Mickey Mouse. 1, 2, 3. And Donald Duck. Here, let's try this. He's gonna go up a ramp. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, did you see him jump? Let's try this. Let's go up a little bit higher. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There goes Clara Cluck. Oh, he crashed. Try again. Almost. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Now it's time to unbox the gas station playset. I'm so excited. Let's get all the pieces out and have some fun. Hot diggity dog. Here is the gas. And let's see, can we get this out? Here is our oil, number 28. And we gotta get our gas pump out of here. There's a lot of tape. There we go. Get some of this tape off of here and we'll get our car free. We've got it out of the box. Look at all of these cool pieces. And here is our Roadster car. So let's find out what we're supposed to do first to fix up our car.
It's me, Roadster Racer Mickey. Hot diggity dog. Time to top off the oil, and that'll do the trick.
Time to top off the oil. That'll do the trick. So we're going to turn our car around and we're going to pretend to lift the hood and give it some oil. Fill it all the way up. Very good. And then we're going to park it back and see what we need to do next. So we gave it fresh oil and I bet we're going to have to give it some gas.
Oh, it looks like we've got a flat tire.
Oh no, a flat tire? Well, we can take care of that. Here we go. We're going to use this. And we can take our tires off. And we'll get new tires on here. Mickey can't drive around with flat tires. Don't worry, Mickey. We'll get it all taken care of. And then when we're all done getting our car fixed up, we have to pay with our Mickey charge card. And we'll slide it right here and pay for all the services. All right, taking the tires off. So now we have all 4 tires off. And we're gonna get new tires. Here we go. And you can screw them back on. Ta-da! There's one new tire. And here's another new tire. Very good. And it looks like we need to air these tires up. So, as soon as we get them on, we're going to take you over here and get some air in these tires. Alright, over here is where we find our air pump. There we go. And you push this down and it pumps air into the tires. So here we're going to take this and we're going to put it in this little hole right here. There we go. Alright, we've got it in here. And while that's in there, we pump the air up. Alright, that tire's done. Now we've got to do the next tire. We're going to fill it up with air and make sure they're ready for Mickey. Oh, your windshield is dirty. We get to use this and we're going to clean your windshield. It's called a squeegee. Get the water off. Oh, is that a bug on there? Scrub, 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 scrub. There we go. Now clean. Mickey's got to be able to see through his windshield. Very good. All right, we've done the windshield, the tires. What else needs to be done? Oh, we need to get gas. We can't forget about that. Here we go. Now we're going to put the gas in here like this, and that's into the gas tank, and we're going to fill it up. So once we have that, we push the little lever here, and it's going to start filling up our tank. You hear the gas going into the tank? Try again.
Great job!
Now that our car is all taken care of and ready to go, we need to pay for our services. So we have to push this button up here. And it tells us how much we need to pay. We've got $15, $9.99, and $20.49. So we need to pay $20.49, and we're gonna run our Mickey charge card. Here we go. And it looks like we paid.
It's me, Roadster Racer Mickey.
Woohoo! We've paid for all of our services, and we're ready to go. Thank you, Mickey Gas Station, for fixing us up. This was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed showing it to you and getting to fix up our really cool car. And we got to check out the Squishy Mini and some of these cool die-cast cars. I hope you enjoyed this fun video. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.